Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be driving from Crossroads to Maxfield Avenue. Now Crossroads is a major transportation hub in Jamaica, very busy place, and we're going to drive towards Maxfield Avenue. So we are on Retirement Crescent now, heading towards Maxfield Avenue. So you have a lot of very popular companies on this road. That's Tropical Foods, you have Carlisa. Tropical Foods does the St. Mary banana chips. Carlisa does ACs and fans. Minot Equipment and Chemicals, they do garbage collection and sell chemicals. Minot seems to have a very large facility on the right. Okay, at this intersection now is Lyndhurst Avenue. Turn left, take Lyndhurst Avenue back into Crossroads. Turn right, you take Lyndhurst Avenue towards Maxfield Avenue. So that's what we're going to do. That building on the left is the Lyndhurst Church, very popular Methodist church in Jamaica. Today is a Sunday, so the place is not that busy. But during the week, this is a very busy area. Alright, so we're now on Lyndhurst Avenue, and Lyndhurst Avenue is most popular because of the RGR Communications Group. They have the RGR radio station among others, and they have the TVJ TV station. And the TVJ is the number one TV station in Jamaica. I'm not sure. RGR is a very popular radio station, but I'm not sure if it's the number one station. I know it was once, but I'm not sure if it is still. Okay, on the right is the RGR Gleaner Communications Group. So I guess they operate the Gleaner as well. Okay, we're now passing over the intersection with Beechwood Avenue. And the Gleaner is the number one newspaper in Jamaica. So we are still on Lyndhurst Avenue, but we just passed over Beechwood Avenue heading towards Maxfield Avenue. As you can see, a lot of business places on this road. Okay, straight ahead at the stoplight, that's Maxfield Avenue. If we turn right on Maxfield Avenue, we take Maxfield Avenue to Halfway Tree. If you turn left, you take Maxfield Avenue down to Spanish Town Road. So we're going to go left and head towards Spanish Town Road. Okay, straight ahead is the Transport Authority building. And Transport Authority is the one that has to regulate all the taxis in Jamaica and make sure, for instance, if you're operating a taxi, you're supposed to have a red plate, which is a special license plate. If you're carrying commercial goods, you're supposed to have a green license plate, which means you have a commercial license. And if you're operating a regular vehicle, okay, see this bus now has on the red plate. If you're operating a regular vehicle, you're supposed to have a blue plate. So the Transport Authority has a job to manage all of that. Okay, this car has a green plate, so that's a commercial license, meaning it can transport goods. Okay, so this is Maxfield Avenue. On the right, you have Johnson's Plaza, very popular plaza in Jamaica, or in Kingston. They used to have, the city of Kingston, they used to have a restaurant over there, very popular restaurant. Alright, so this is Maxfield Avenue, and when you think of Maxfield Avenue, there are two very popular locations that come to mind. One is a Transport Authority office, and the second one is a German school. Now that's where they train you to be a mechanic. Very good school, very large school. It's operated by Hart NTA, and that's the German school on the right. Now, there are a lot of communities off Maxfield Avenue. The main road has mostly the commercial buildings, the garages, the German school, a lot of garages, a lot of places that work on, like, there's a very popular power steering place, there's a very popular transmission place, those kind of commercial buildings are you will find on this road. But when you turn off Maxfield Avenue, you have a lot of communities, hundreds of homes, maybe thousands of people. So it's a very popular residential area when you turn off the main road. A lot of communities. We're now entering the community of Rosetown. Alright, so straight ahead at this light is Spanish Town Road. Turn left, you take Spanish Town Road to downtown Kingston. Turn right, you take Spanish Town Road to Mandela Highway. Also, if you turn right, you go to the 3 Miles Overpass. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.